We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an asteroid named 2009 FJ1 is on a collision course with Earth. This asteroid is 426 feet wide. There is nothing humanity that could stop the asteroid hitting Earth. Once the asteroid impacts Earth, giant mega tsunamis of 5,000 feet will occur. Destructive earthquakes of 10.0 on the Richter scale will occur, and the sun will be blocked for 5 years. All residents in the world, gather with your loved ones such as family and friends, and prepare for death, as this asteroid is gonna impact Earth within the next 5 hours. We will now leave the air for the final time with our last playing of our national anthem, God Bless America.